can you actually earn $20 or more in a day just on PayTube through Frixoby.site? Or is it just another sketchy get rich site? Let's break it down and see what's really going on. Before we begin, quick disclaimer, everything in this video is based on publicly available information and personal opinion. Frixoby.site is part of a PayTube trend where users supposedly earn money by watching videos or referring others. Sounds easy, right? Well, it claims you can make up to $25 a day with extra bonuses for inviting friends. On Trustpilot, the site has a 2.8 star rating based on a small number of reviews. Most of them are negative, with users saying they never see payouts even after meeting withdrawal requirements. Some also suspect that reviews and referral system are just paid to collect traffic. The biggest red flag is the lack of real proof of payment. There's no verifiable company info, support seems limited, and complaints about delays or account issues when trying to withdraw are pretty common. Frixoby.site sounds good on paper, but in reality it looks more like a time waster or worse, a data trap. If you're looking to earn online, this probably isn't a place to start. Have you tried Frixoby.site yourself? Share your experience below, and for more honest reviews on trending sites, stick around.